So this is a short lesson on mathematical reasoning. I am Suman Matthews. Welcome to this lesson. Having taught maths at the high school level for close to 2 decades, I have prepared this lesson in logic for making mathematical reasoning easy for students of class 11 of both the CBSE and ISC boards. You will be learning what is a statement, a negation, disjunction, what is a conjunction, implication, and biconditional. Now, a statement is a sentence which is either true or false, but not both. For example, xy equal to yx. It can be either true or false. Take a triangle ABC. Now, this is not a statement because it is an exclamation mark. It need not be true or false. Statements are denoted by small letters, that is P, Q, R, S, and so on. The truth of a statement is called its truth value. If a statement is true, we denote it by T. If it is false, we denote it by F. Negation of a statement is obtained by inserting the word not at the appropriate place. So negation of P is denoted by this symbol, negation P. So a small question: indicate the negation of the following statements. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. The negation is 2 plus 3 is not equal to 5. Computer science is a hard subject. The negation is computer science is not a hard subject. So we are introducing the word not. So these are the answers. State which of the following are statements. A triangle contains 3 sides. This is a true statement. So it is a statement. X plus 2 is a positive integer. Now this depends on x. X can be if x is minus 5, it is not a positive integer. If x is 0, it is a positive integer. So this can be neither true or false. So it is not a statement. Is root 2 a rational number? Again a question mark. So it is not a statement because you don't know whether it is true or false. Now when you combine two statements and add the word and between them, you get a conjunction, and this is denoted by this symbol. For example, this is a truth table for a conjunction. T and T is true, T and false is false, false and T is false, false and false is false. When you combine two statements and add the word or between them, you get a disjunction, and this is denoted by this symbol. We write A disjunction B. So this is a symbol for truth table for disjunction. True or true is true, true or false is true, false or true is true, false or false is false. When you combine two statements using the words if and then at the appropriate places, we get a conditional statement. And this is a truth table for the conditional statement. This is how you write it. P implies Q. True implies true is true. True implies false is false. False implies true is true. You need to remember this. False implies false is true. When you combine two conditionals, we get a biconditional statement, and this is how we write it. So this is we'll say P if and only if Q, or a necessary and sufficient condition. So this is a truth table for a biconditional. False if and only if false is true. True if and only true is true. True if and only if false is false. False if and only if true is false. So construct truth tables for the following: P, conjunction, negation, Q. So we have the following possibilities. Both P and Q are true. So negation of Q is false, and true and false is false. Now negation of Q is true here, true and false, false and true, and false and false. Then negation of false is true, true and true is true. Here negation of true is false, false and false is false. Negation of false is true, false and true is false. Construct the truth table for negation of P, disjunction, negation Q. So we have the possibilities here. Negation of Q is false, false and false or true is true, and negation of true is false. Again false, negation of false is true. P disjunction negation of Q. So true or true is true, and negation of true is false. Again here negation of true is false. P disjunction negation of Q. False or false is false, and negation of false is true. Both are false. Negation of false is true. false or true is true and negation of true is false. So this is a truth table. So as homework you can try this. Construct the truth table for P conjunction Q disjunction P. I've actually done it for you. Your Q disjunction P true or true is true, and P conjunction that true and true is true. True or false is true, and true is true. False or true is true, and false and true is false. False or false is false, and false is false. So thank you. So do watch out for my next lesson where you will learn more about contrapositive, negation, conjunction, inverse and validity of statements.